Welcome to Bridgewage Finance, and we are presenting Promax Power Limited. So basically, Promax Power Limited, what exactly they do? They are into business like power distributions. So we are talking about here power distributions is a work tend to complete electrification, high-rising buildings, individual houses, hotels, multiplexes, commercial complexes. They have taken qualified electrician all around the countries, and the electrification works on all kinds. Complete installation to new addition of circuit from main distribution 110 kV to lightning installation. All works carried out under the Promax supervision. Paperwork such as the risk assessment methods, statements bring the lines and with the health and safety, and all estimated completed with the free of charge any cost involved in the actual installation carried out. Low voltage distribution panel, control panel designing and building, car parking lighting, high and low bay lighting, sub main installation, factory refit installation, tray or trucking systems. So these are their business area. In case of power transmission and distribution, if you see substation projects, they are having the substation projects into the 400 kV, 220 kV, 132 kV. They are licensing as a electric contractor and doing EPC, supply, erection, testing and commission. Switchyard for last 12 years. We undertake electrical works, indoor and outdoor lighting, laying cables, erections, transform, switchyard 400 kV, erection poles, installation, flood lighting, which also include designing, detailed engineering, EHV substation and transmission line. We works in many reputed organizations like Siemens, Alstom, ABB Limited, Compton Graves, EMCO, BSES, IVRCL, Suzlon Energy, WBESTCL up to 400 kV. We are also approved by Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, mainly Government of India company, presently executing work of erection. We have very good organization set up compromising highly qualified, experienced technical executive and administrative staff effectively executing projects activity. We have adequate financial resources of institutional and banking facility equipped with the communication facility, both HO and worksite. We also have designing, drawing, office to facilitate execution of works. We maintain stock various electrical material with the use and are able to procure material in a short active time through our associates. So transmission line is there another key area where up to they are since last 12 years into subcontractor and turnkey contractor and construction and laying transmission line, including extra high tension and a high tension, that is HT transmission line and substation, and varying up to 220 kV maximum. Promax has over 200 kilometers experience and transmission line KMS 220 kV, 132 kV. We have done 20 lines project EPC turnkey basis. We have excellent relationship with the leading tower part and conductor manufacturer. We have a lot of in-house designing experience, tower designing for various trade, terrain and climate condition. All erection and stringing tools are available within a house. We have excellent project execution teams. We have expertise getting all requisite clearance from statutory authorities like Transco, Discom, Railway, Telecom, and we have experience in West Bengal, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Odisha state. Our labor gangs are considered as one of the most experienced in this field. So in case of a solar projects, highly qualified EPC space from initial designing stage startup of installation management implementation. We deploy proven world-class solar technology and build local solar expertise to deliver affordable solar power. EPC contracts are most common form of contract use undertaken in construction work by private government sectors on a large and complex solar PV power project. Under EPC contract, a contractor will deliver a complete facility to developer who needs turnkey to start operating power plant and thus generate revenue. Basic and detailed engineering technical due diligence regarding energy generations, topography study and calculation of earthworks structure and fund, uh, then design and calculation, design for install of structures, low voltage and minimum voltage system design, technical advice for selection of a plant equipment. Civil construction, we are constructing highly rise residential building, commercial buildings like shopping mall, sport complex, universities, private offices, government offices complex with the modern technology. Delivery high quality. The work also involve in landscaping work, gardening, meeting aesthetics, satisfaction of a client customer. This safety features should be primary concern while constructing the residential and commercial buildings. Uh, Pre-engineering build. Pre-engineering building, the building which are engineered at a factory assembly at a site. Usually pre-engineering building are steel structure built up sections are fabricated at a factory and exact size transport to site assembly at site with a bolt connection. This type of structural concept is generally used to build industrial building, metro station and warehouses. Sewage treatment plant. Civil construction work in a water project requires high technology and skill. WTP consists sludge collector, pumping station, mixing chamber and storage and distribution system, where quality of civil works is always priority due to usage of various chemical compounds. So in case of water treatment plant, water treatment is any process improve quality of water to make it more acceptable for specific end use. The end use may drinking, industrial water supply, irrigation, river flow maintenance, water recreation, or many other usage, including safety return to the environment. So these are their business area. If you see, they are design engineering and pre-bidding engineering. Yes, they ensure about their quality statement, EGS, health and safety statement, and certification. So this company is also one of the fast growing company because they are listing into the market very soonly. Promax Power Limited IPO detail. Yeah, this company, it's a company detail. Okay, Promax Power Private Limited started on 21st October 2017 and a wide certification corporate bearing. So they have changed their name on 20 April 2021. Promax Power Limited. Dear investors, we are nowadays talking. This is one of the shortest fast growing companies because this company registered on 2017 and now this company is listing into the market. That is literally it's like in a short term somebody is listing into the market, quite challenging. They are registered offices into ground floor sector 38B, Chandigarh, Union Territory of India, where the corporate office is located into phase 8B industrial area SAS Nagar, Mohali 160055, Punjab, India. For further information, promaxco.in. Promax is a strong and vast techno-commercial knowledge experience with the field of EPC. Our team led by an HOD, more than 35 years experience in successful execution of multiple EPC projects in India and abroad. He is having EPC business in various MSCs. The core competency team are following: experience of execution transmission line and substations up to 4000 kV voltage level, working experience in a hill region in North India, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. Work with international client in Africa, Middle East and SAARC countries. In-house designing setup, outstanding knowledge in safety environment, highly qualified and skilled civil team, working experience in a harsh climate condition including coastal areas. Excellent quality team members have a strong hold ISO and their standard. They are into the power distribution, power transmission and distribution, substation, transmission lines, solar project EPC, civil constructions, pre-engineering buildings, sewage treatment plant and water treatment plant. Promax Power Limited IPO detail: IPO opening date 30 September 2021, IPO closing date 4th October 2021, fixed price issue, face value 10 rupees per equity share, market lot size 10 rupees per equity share. You can apply 10,000 shares per lot. Minimum and maximum order quantity will be remain same. Listing at BSE and SME, basis of allotment date 7th October 2021, initiation of refund 8 October 2021, credit of shares to your demat account 11 October 2021, and 12th October 2021 is the IPO listing date. Thank you, my Privilege Finance. We will keep updating you for further information. Have a great day. Good night, sweet dream. Bye.